Hey y'all, hold on, let me get up in here. Let me get up in here. What up y'all? Sweet Pea Love 22 here, back at you with another quick video. Okay, let's just jump right into it. Okay, serious question. What day is it? What fucking day is it? Like, seriously, like what day is it? Yo, I legit feel like it's day 562,000 or something. Like I don't even know. Like, no, for real. Like, it's October 13th, 14th. No, 14th. It's the 14th today at night. Wait, is it? It is the 14th. It is the 14th. It's late and it's the 14th. And girl, like, yo, this quarantine though, like, or no, it ain't even quarantine no more in the United States. Like, bitch, we just out here getting the corona freely. Well, not me, okay? My area is Publix, Target, Walmart, home. Publix, Target, Walmart, home. Yeah. And oh, I'm lying, Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but not all in that same order or whatever. And that's only when I'm just stocking up on art supplies. So I don't even be a Hobby Lobby and Michael's that often unless I ran out of some art supplies. But y'all, for real, like, y'all, like, oh shit, you know. And it's like you don't even really be noticing, you know, your singledom really until you like dolo for a long time, which I've been dolo for a long time. It's been years. So I ain't really tripping off that. But like when you really can't go out and meet somebody if you want to, like you just gotta kind of stand and be masked up and stuff. I can't even show nobody my cute lipstick or whatever. My nose ring, like, bitch, my nose ring ain't been shown in like 6 months. I love this nose ring. Although I've had it for like 18 years, but still, I love this. Ain't nobody seen it, but whatever. I digress. God, that singledom hit different when, hold on, I feel like, my little B cups trying to fall up out this little bra. I feel like the singledom hit you different when you really can't go nowhere. Like, when you really in your house for mad amount of days, So, see, what had happened was I remembered that a coworker of mine suggested several months back that I tried a little dating app or whatever. So I was like, you know, I'll try the dating app. Well, I tried it then. I think I tried it for like 2-3 weeks. It just sat on my phone. I didn't really use it. And then I took it off. But since we on day 562,000 of quarantine or lack thereof, because, you know, in the United States shit ain't really closed. We out here living like it ain't no, you know, situation out here. But I was like, let me just, you know, download the app again and see what's out there in these streets. It ain't nothing out there in these streets. It ain't nothing out there. I'm just saying, it ain't nothing out there. I actually downloaded 2 apps. I've been proactive or whatever. Well, not proactive in that sense, because the bitch ain't been on no dates. I ain't been nowhere. But I was like, let me just, oh, that was the sprinklers, bitch. I was like, who the fuck? Bitch, the whole sprinkler just got loud as hell. But no, I was like, you know, let me window shop from the crib, because that's what we all doing right now. We just window shopping for the crib. So I was like, let me just scroll. I downloaded 2 apps, the BLK app and Hinge, which Hinge is like relatively new. I knew nothing about Hinge until I watched one of my favorite YouTubers, and she said they had some good, you know, cute guys or whatever, but she live in Houston. Like, I don't. Ain't nobody cute. I mean, there's some cutie. Anywho, I keep digressing. So the BLK app, that, like, it ain't, I feel like there don't be no options on there. Like I feel like other apps, other non-black apps be having like options. Like you got like 5 different types of white dudes, 5 or 6 different types of Hispanic dudes, 5 or 6 different types of Italian dudes, or maybe they're not different types. They just look different to me because I'm not of those races. But on the BLK app, I'm just like, what are options at, sis? Where the options at? Not saying that people on there busted, like all of them, because there's some good looking men on there and probably some really nice men. And if you see this video and you know me and you on the app, I'm not saying you busted or whatever. It's just that, you know, for whatever reason we not the one for each other. You know what I'm saying? Like, or I'm not for you, you not for me, whatever, you know. I'm not here to judge. I'm not saying you busted. I'm saying other people up on there, I'm just really confused. And I'm just like, no, 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 ma'am. No, ma'am, Pam. No, no, ma'am, Pam. No, ma'am, Pam. No. And then I saw somebody on there that just got engaged like 2 months ago, and he's still on the app, and I guess he forgot to uninstall it from his phone or whatever, but that ain't none of my business. That ain't none of my business. But no, it's funny. I've seen some people that I know from around the way, and I'm just like, no. But yeah, hey, good to see you, but no. Anywho, I ain't gonna touch on it. But no, okay, so I'm checking on Hinge or whatever. Hinge is cute. You know, you got a little bit more dialogue on Hinge. Hinge people actually talk. On the BLK app, it's like, I live here and I'm this age. Ain't no talking, bitch. Ain't no talking. So on the Hinge, you got a little bit more conversation. People are actually, you know, talking about what they would like, what they do, and stuff like that. So it's kind of cute or whatever. It's kind of cute or whatever. But it's still a no for me. This online shit is just so weird. It is so freaking weird. And the weirdest thing to me is guys with filters, like filters on their pictures. Like, I ain't even know guys really did it like that until I just tried to try out these little apps or whatever. But, and I know some of y'all out there probably saying, well, girls do filters. Yeah, some girls do it. I don't. Like, on my social media, I might have 3 pictures with filters, and those pictures with filters is from like mad years ago. Like, I just make sure my lighting is good and my face is cute. Okay, the key is good lighting, really. But I don't, the guys with filters, like with doggy ears and like the heart across, like, no, ma'am, Pam. And maybe that's just me being judgmental. Maybe that's just me. That's why I'm single. I'm extra judgmental. I'm like judging them over filters and shit. But I feel like if you's a dude, you's a manly dude, like, you don't need filters. And again, people are probably saying, well, you got makeup on or you got lashes. Sis, bro, I don't always wear lashes, okay? I've only started to wear lashes every now and again because we in fucking mask every day, and I feel like I need to do something up here because all y'all see is this. You know what I'm saying? But for the most part, if you look at my social media, if you know me, there's only probably like 3 or 4 pictures with lashes. And today I got lashes because, you know, I'm trying to be cute or whatever. I was bored. But I don't really be doing the lashes like that. Now, makeup, yes, but I try to keep it really natural. I just thought about have white under my eye. That's probably not that natural. But you know what I'm saying? I'm a female, okay? And I feel like guys should not be having filters on their damn pictures. So that's like kind of a turn off. And then the duck lips, kissy face, Nick, what? Like, I've seen a couple of guys on these little apps and they like this. Like, no. First of all, it's not 2010. And second of all, use a whole dude. Yo, it's a whole dude. I don't want to see kissy face. And you was like this trying to get your lighting right, bruh. So that's a no. And then guys with the knees out, with the tight jeans and the knees out. Like, I ain't trying to knock nobody's style or whatever. I understand that's the generation. That's where we at now with the jeans or whatever. But like, if you like 35, 36, 37, 40, you shouldn't be wearing, in my opinion, you shouldn't be wearing no jeans. Not shouldn't, but I just would not like to see my dude with his knees out. Like, I need your knees to be covered. That's all. I would like your knees to be covered. Like I said, I know that's the style now, but that's the style if you like 20, 25, 28. At 35, 40, I need your knees to be in your jeans. That's just my opinion. But now that I just said all that out loud, I thought maybe that's why I ain't got nobody. Maybe I'm just too judgmental or whatever. I don't know. But I just thought I'd share that with y'all because a bitch was bored, and you know, I was bored. So I just wanted to share my dating scene or lack thereof with y'all. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. Bye.